And I was just like, it is what it is at this point. I'm gonna try some, y'all. Tell me why I'm still in this bed. It's like 10 o'clock. But I'm gonna get up and clean up. I've been like coughing up mucus and sneezing all night. Still sneezing now, still blowing my nose. It's just mucus. Clear mucus, but mucus. I'm just like, what happened overnight that now all of a sudden my body's releasing? But thankful to be able to release mucus and things. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get up and finally finish cleaning my room, clean the living room, the kitchen, just get organized and ready for the week and do some type of movement, whether I work out or see, I'm telling you, I've been sneezing all night and day. Whether I work out or go for a walk, something's being had, something's being done. But yeah, let's go ahead and get up, girl, because it's time. You're too young to be my lover. Whoa, yeah. To your mama, oh, oh. Oh my God. All right, we're gonna try the strawberries from the garden.
Cheers.
Why you pick the big one and gave me the little one?
You would have. I want this one.
Switch.
I want this one. Then we have this.
Why she gonna give me the little baby one?
It's not even like a difference.
What y'all talking about? What y'all talking about? What y'all talking about?
Ooh.
What y'all talking about?
These are good.
These the strawberries from the garden. You don't like strawberries, so.
No. Big Mac.
It's a strawberry.
Mommy, can I have a protein soda? big activities.
Yo, but not gonna lie still, for a quick little smoothie, that smoothie will come on real good to bumbo clot.
Y'all, so tell me why I stopped to get some gas at Wawa. I fill the car up. The car's still like beeping. You know, like when you don't turn the car fully off, it's like still, it's not on, but it's like still on. Excuse me. Oh, I know my allergy sinus or something. Anyways, I get in the car to crank the car. I'm like, yes, I'm fine. I'm finna go back home. I'm ready to chill. I just dropped my kids off. It's gonna be quiet, peaceful vibes. I'm gonna drink me a Hi-Yo and I'm gonna feel real like good and lifted. The car won't crank. The car will not crank. None of the lights cutting on. I've been having problems with this car for the past probably like 3.5 years. Ever since I drove this car from California, she like, listen, I'm tired. I can't run no more. Universe, I would love to have a new car. Like, I would love a new car. Like, that would just really be like amazing. A brand new car. Cause this car, she can't hang no more. Every other day is something. Every other week is something. It's not the battery. I just got a battery. Why if it is the battery, why is it the battery? I just got a battery a couple of months ago. So I want to cuss so bad. I'm just sitting here. I have this like portable jumper cables, but I don't remember. I thought I took a picture or video of where to put what, and I can't find it. So I'm just sitting here contemplating my life. Like, life is just, I don't want to sound like, not suicidal or nothing like crazy, but depression or anything like that. But like, for real, like, life is just be too much sometimes. Like, it just be too much going on. Like, y'all don't even know the half. And I just get on here every single day and I try to be positive and happy and spread love and light. And it's like, low key, I just feel like my life low key kind of like falling apart. Like, and I don't know, whatever. So I'll probably end I'll probably end the vlog here, guys, because I'm feeling really like under the weather, emotional, sad. I'm feeling all of the feelings, all of the not so good things. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, liking, I can't even talk, commenting, subscribing. As always, I'm sending you nothing but love, peace, joy, happiness, abundance, health, wealth, financial freedom, fun, enjoyment, all of the good things. And I will see you tomorrow. 'Cause I'm a little unsteady. I know it's your time. Don't let go. So tell me why I obviously the car ended up cranking up. I don't know what happened. It just, as soon as I got back in the car from pumping the gas, it just would not crank. So I literally sat there for like 10 minutes and I was just like, it is what it is at this point. And then I was like, you know what? Something told me to just try it again. I tried it again, it crunk up. Now we home. And then something told me to, like, you know what? To make yourself feel better, do your makeup, do your hair, create some content, you know, lift up the spirits and just feel good overall. Because I had a little moment, y'all. I had a little moment. But now that I look good, I feel good. And when you feel good, you do good. And when you do good, you get good results. So, with that being said, I just finished making some TikTok videos. So now, I'm about to enjoy the rest of my night. I'll probably get back on live or something. I don't know. Throw a party. Have a house party. House party. Who am I invite? Who am I going to invite to this house party? Anyways, I need to finish washing my bed linen, actually, because how am I going to go to sleep with no comforter and no sheets? What is that sound? Why can I hear the people upstairs water? I don't like that. Ew.
And I'm feeling so petite today. I got to keep this going. I gotta keep this going throughout the day and tomorrow. I'm talking about homegirl asked me, do I want to go out to eat for lunch? Hell no. That wouldn't be very petite to me.
If I'm your girl, say my name, boy. Wrong, so how we feel, we can let it show. I need you now. I need you now.
Can I interest you in something called me?